How to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. Hello everybody. In order to do that, you may follow up these methods. So open up your Cash App application on your screen, and once you open up your screen, you should be finding this interface. Now, from the given interface, you need to head over to this dollar option in the bottom left corner. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. Now from the given page, you may locate up the option called Buy Bitcoin. You can directly find the option on your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you will be given with the interface of Bitcoin and balance tab. So in order to buy Bitcoin, you can directly find a buy button on your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here it gives you directly option of selecting up the amount. If the amount is not something you want to purchase, you can tap on the three dot at the last right beside $100, and it gives you an option to enter up your own desired value. After you've entered up your desired value, for example $5, go ahead and tap on next in the bottom. After that, you may confirm your Bitcoin purchase of your provided amount. After that, confirm it. And once that is done, you will be purchasing Bitcoin. You need to provide the verification process first. And then once you head back to your Bitcoin base, you should be finding the amount that you have purchased on Cash App. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we will see you on the next video.